Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's Sile K here, a first year BSBA marketing student from UPV. So today I'll be answering some of the most frequently asked questions about taking BSBA marketing, especially if you're planning to apply here at UP Visayas. So without further ado, let's get started. Someone asked here, first question, what exactly is BSBA marketing? Good question. BSBA stands for Bachelor of Science in Business Administration and my major is marketing. Basically, we study how businesses work, how products are promoted, and how to understand what customers want. It's a mix of creativity, strategy, and a bit of math too. Is BSBA marketing hard? It depends. Shout out to Math 50. Some subjects are challenging, especially those with numbers like accounting and economics. But marketing subjects are really fun because we do case studies, presentations, and creative projects. It's not just about memorizing, it's about thinking like a marketer. What are your favorite subjects so far? I'd say Math 50. Well, Math 50 because although it is hard, but it can challenge you. It will, make you think of different ways. And also because I'm a STEM graduate, my strand back when I was in high school is STEM. The environment is okay. What student life like at UPV? It's great. The environment is chill but still academically challenging. There's a strong sense of community here. Yeah. Students are friendly, professors are approachable, and there are a lot of orgs and events you can join. UPV life is not just about studying. It's about growing as a person. Yeah, it's growing. Do you need to be good at math to survive BSBA marketing? In my opinion, honestly, a little bit math helps, but you don't have to be a math genius. Most of it is applied like percentages, sales, data, and pricing strategies. What's more important, I think, is creative.